Hello friends, welcome back to the Samir's classroom. I hope you all are doing fine at your homes. So in this session we are gonna learn how to make an income statement. So before we start, basically what is an income statement? An income statement is summarization of company's expenses and revenues during a particular period. So why do we need it? We need it because we need to focus on our expenses and or revenue of a company. We don't know if we are going in a loss or we are getting a huge profit than ever. So we need income statement to focus on all the aspects. So let's do it practically. So guys, this is the data we are going to use to make an income statement. So first of all, we would be highlighting the expenses of company, and here the transaction number 3, paid 400 cash for my office rent, and we all know office rent is an expense, so we are going to record it as an expense. Transaction number 5 is also an expense because we have consumed the advertisement of $250, so we are going to record it. Transaction number 8 is an expense because their employees work for my company and I have paid them. So salary is an expense and we are going to record it. Transaction number 9, we paid utility bills that we consumed for $140 and we are going to record. And now we are going to highlight the revenues. In transaction number 10, we performed repair services worth $1,100 and it's an asset and we have generated the revenue because we have given the services. So we are going to record it. So now we are going to compute the net income of the company. And to compute the net income, we know the formula. We need to subtract the expenses from the revenue. And our total expenses are equal to $790. And the total revenue of our company is equal to $5,800. And the final step is we are going to subtract the expenses from the revenue. The net income should be $4,010. So here we are. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and have a good time. See you next session. Goodbye.